everyone, my name is Ben Day and welcome to my course, Azure DevOps Getting Started. I'm a developer, trainer, and coach, and I specialize in helping teams and companies get good at software delivery. Whether that's helping them with Scrum, or software testing, or software architecture, or just listening to them vent, it's all in the goal of helping them to deliver great, done, working software. Which brings us to the topic of this course, Azure DevOps. So what is Azure DevOps? Well, the oversimplified answer is that Azure DevOps is Team Foundation Server in the cloud. TFS has been around for 14 years or so, and it's helped teams and companies to manage their software development efforts. It helps you with your source code, project plans, automated builds, automated deploys, testing, bug tracking, you name it. All the stuff you have to worry about on a project, it helps you to manage it. With Azure DevOps, you get all those same features, but now it's a cloud service. So you no longer have to worry about setting it up, keeping it running, patching it, backing it up, any of those details because it's hosted by Microsoft in the cloud. Plus, with Azure DevOps, you get new features a lot more often than you would with on-premise TFS. This course is going to talk about how to get started with Azure DevOps. So some of the things we're going to talk about: why use Azure DevOps, how to manage your code with Azure DevOps using Git and TFVC, DevOps-related topics like automated builds and automated release deployments, how to use Azure DevOps to help streamline your QA effort and defect tracking, how to find, purchase, and install feature extensions and user licenses for Azure DevOps, and also how to migrate your existing stuff into Azure DevOps. By the end of this course, you'll know more than enough to be productive with Azure DevOps. So, after hearing me say the words Azure DevOps approximately 14 times in 90 seconds, I hope you'll dive in on this course and learn to use Azure DevOps with my Azure DevOps Getting Started course here at Pluralsight.